For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The Coolife Suitcase Set 3-Piece Luggage Set Carry-on Hardside Luggage with TSA Lock Spinner Wheels, Black, 5-piece set, is a smart pick if you're looking for reliability, convenience, and performance. I've used this set for both short domestic flights and a week-long overseas trip, and it handled both scenarios well. You're getting a 20 carry-on, a 24 suitcase, a 28 checked luggage, a weekender bag, and a toiletry bag, all thoughtfully designed for travel flexibility. Let's talk build quality. The luggage cases are made with ABS, which is a durable, impact-resistant material that still keeps things lightweight. I remember dragging the 24-foot piece over cobblestone in Lisbon. No scratches, no issues with the wheels. Speaking of wheels, they're spinner style and glide smoothly through crowded terminals and uneven surfaces. The retractable handle is also sturdy, which helps with long walks across airports. The TSA-Approved lock is a big plus. As someone who travels with camera gear, knowing that my case is secure, but also TSA compliant, gives peace of mind. Inside the cases, there's a fully lined divider and a few organization pockets that make it easy to keep clean clothes separate from shoes or cables. The included duffel bag and toiletry bag are made of mild water-resistant polyester. I took the duffel as a carry-on once and love the back sleeve that lets it slide right over the luggage handle. There's also a 3-piece version that comes with either a duffel or a backpack. I haven't tried the backpack set, but the duffel holds up well with basic essentials and folds nicely when not in use. I've reviewed travel gear for years and tested over a dozen luggage sets. This one is solid value for the price. Coolife puts all items through quality testing, which shows in the zippers, handles, and finish. No surprises here, it does what it promises. Also, when I had a quick warranty question, their Amazon support replied within 24 hours, which really boosted my confidence in the brand. If you're planning travel soon and want something that's easy to roll, organize, and store, this Coolife set covers your bases. It's not just a one-trip solution, it's built to last, even when the journey gets bumpy.